what if you don't have any reference videos? Well, here's how to make some very quickly. If we go to a new tab in ElevenLabs, we go back to image, and again, we go to the Nano Banana Pro model. And here we basically want to describe a very basic, simple shot that we can apply motion to. And here I'm using myself for fun, but obviously you could just do this with a regular mannequin. And I also do want to mention that this shot that we create right now will be the starting shot for all of the movements you create moving forward. So we can make sure to get this right. And so instead of saying with arms out to the side, I'm going to put with arms by his side. And then I've added some extra detail there just so the model knows exactly what to put. We're going to change this to 2K, and then I'm going to click generate. And so as you can see, now we've got some very basic shots that we can go and apply movement to. And so I'm going to go ahead and use this one as the start frame. And so I'm simply going to switch to video. We're going to drag and drop this into the start frame box. And here we're going to change it to Kling 2.6, and now we can prompt any movement we like. So we could prompt something like do a little tango dance, slowly walk backwards, do a ballet pirouette. And here's a bunch of different movements that you can create and generate yourself on screen right now just to give you a little bit of inspiration.